Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go with the information. A computer contains two memory cards. Each of them has 8 memory chips and each chip has a capacity of 256 megabytes of memory. How many gigabytes of memory will the computer have in total if 4 more cards are added? And it is given that 1 gigabyte equals to 1024 megabytes. Okay, so to answer this question, first let's find the total number of memory cards after 4 more memory cards are added. Okay, now let me write this stuff over here. Total number of memory cards. Let me write it. Total number of memory cards equals to already the computer contains 2 memory cards. Now we are adding 4 more memory cards. So 2 positive 4, we get 6 memory cards in all the computer has. Okay, now let's find the total number of memory chips on the computer. Let me write the stuff over here first. Total number of memory chips. Let me write it over here. Already we got the total number of memory cards, that is 6, and we have an information that is each of the 2 memory cards has 8 memory chips. That is, one memory card has 8 memory chips. Then how many memory chips do we have in 6 memory cards? For that, we have to multiply the number of memory cards 6 by the number of memory chips we have in one memory card, that is 8. So 6 times 8, then we get 48. So we have 48 memory chips in the computer after 4 more memory cards are added. Now let's find the total memory we have in the computer. Let me write the stuff over here. So total memory equals to, so to get the total memory, what I have to do is I have to multiply the number of memory chips and the amount of memory we have in one memory chip. There is an information that is each chip has a capacity of 256 megabytes of memory. That is, one memory chip has a capacity of 256 megabytes of memory. Then how many megabytes of memory do we have in 48 memory chips? For that, we have to multiply the number of memory chips by the amount of memory we have in one memory chip. So number of memory chips, that is 48, multiplied by the amount of memory we have in one memory chip, that is 256 megabytes. Let me write the stuff over here. 256 megabytes. So when I multiply 48 and 256, I am getting 12,288 megabytes. So the total memory we have in the computer after 4 more memory cards are added, 12,288 megabytes. But we have to give the answer in gigabytes according to the question. Already we know that 1 gigabyte equals to 1024 megabytes. So to convert this 12,288 megabytes to gigabyte, what I have to do is I have to divide this value 12,288 by 1024. Because 1 gigabyte equals to 1024 megabytes. Let me divide this by 1024. So when I divide this 12,288 megabytes by 1024, automatically its units will become gigabytes. So when I divide 12,288 by 1024, I am getting 12. So the total memory we have in the computer after 4 more memory cards are added is 12 gigabytes.